Today's topic is indices. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Understand what indices are and how they represent repeated multiplication. 2. Identify the base and the exponent or power in an expression. And 3. Apply the basic laws of indices.
Imagine you post a video and you have one view. Then your friend shares it for you. Boom! You have 10 views. The next day, 100 views. And then you check again. 1,000 views. Wow! You're going viral now. Now you want to check your growth. So you ask, what is my total views? Multiply 10 by 10 by 10 by 10. That's how to do it, right? No, that's tiresome. You see, mathematicians go smarter and then ask, how many times am I going to multiply 10 to get my total views? That number, that power, that shortcut, that's indices. I'm Emmanuel. Today's class is on indices. Welcome. Let's break it down step by step.
Okay, first we are going to start with what the concept of indices, what it is. Now, to understand the concept of indices, let us imagine or envision ourselves multiplying a particular number repeatedly by itself. Say, for instance, we are multiplying 10 by itself 3 times. So we are going to have 10 times 10 times 10. Of course, we know that the product of this repeated multiplication is 1000. Now, 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1000. However, expressing our multiplication this way is somewhat untidy. There is a shorter route to express this repeated multiplication of the number 10 to give the product 1000. That shorter route is what we call indices. So instead of writing 10 times 10 times 10 equals to 1000, we can express it as 10 raised to the power of 3 equals 1000. Now, what does this mean? It means that we are multiplying this 10, the same number, by itself in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. The base, which is the number we are multiplying, which is 10. In how many places are we multiplying 10? In 3 places. 1, 2, 3. The product is still 1000. So this becomes the index form of what we have done here. Let us call this A and let us call this B. The same value, the same process, but different expression. In A, we are repeatedly multiplying 10 in 3 places, 1, 2, 3. But in B, we are expressing our multiplication in index form. Now, there are 3 things you need to know about an index expression. We have the base, which is 10. We have the power, which is 3. And then we have the product, which is 1000. All right, 10 is the base. That is the number we keep multiplying. Any number you keep multiplying by itself is the base. The number of times that you have multiplied that number is the power. And the product, the result of your repeated multiplication, say for instance, if you are multiplying the same base by itself 3 times, the product is 1000. So I believe you understand the idea of indices. You are repeatedly multiplying a number, all right, and then you are expressing that repeated multiplication in a shorter route. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Remember, standard form helps us to write very large or small numbers in a compact and readable form. An assignment has been provided at the end of the lesson. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with others. See you in the next lesson.